Whether you're inside or outside, you'll love the 3,520 square foot Stonehaven floor plan. Included in the architectural dream home is 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths of curb appeal. This open floor plan has high soaring ceilings, hand-scraped hardwood flooring, and large living areas for the whole family to enjoy. This home includes our Texas-sized front door and entryway, large formal dining and living rooms, and our signature fireplace in the spacious family room. Adjoining the family room is the master-planned chef's kitchen. Included in this masterpiece are granite countertops, custom cabinetry, designer fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and large chef's island. Just down from the private study is the owner's suite, including the master bedroom and bath. The spacious master bedroom has a private sitting area and large walk-in closet. The master bath, designed with relaxation in mind, includes dual vanities with custom tile and fixtures, a deep garden tub, and separate standalone oversized shower. The other 4 large bedrooms are located upstairs with the family game room for your in-house recreation and entertainment. This Stonehaven floor plan can be built with an optional media room or second master suite. Simply ask us for the details.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.